So right before I left for Mexico, I was contacted by a fellow YouTuber, Arnie Bowie. He let me know that I had won a contest he was holding on his YouTube channel. He was getting 50 subscribers, and he was going to do a random draw, and I was lucky enough to win that draw. So he contacted me via email, goprospecting@gmail.com, and he told me that this package was en route, and he asked me to do a video on the unboxing of it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what was in this. It's going to be interesting. Okay, so let's see what's in this box. Okay, there's quite a few things in here. So we got a carabiner and a knife. That's all right. That's great. You can put these on your pants, put them on your belt, and walk into the bush. We got a headlight, which is great because I camp out in the back of my truck, and you can't be without. Looks like we got some books here. We got the Rockhound and Prospector's Bible. I haven't read this one, so that's going to be good. The Caribou Gold Rush. Yeah, you got to read the history of BC. That you know, you got to know where you've been to know where you're going, right? So the history of the gold rush is a lot of the reason I got into this hobby. I find it all very interesting. You know, they took a lot of gold out in the past, but that means doesn't mean that there isn't any gold to be found now. So you just have to learn the old techniques and adjust them with the new technologies of today to find more gold. So that's good. Now this book I do recognize because I own it myself. This is good though. I think I know a couple people that actually will enjoy this one. This is a great book. Teaches you basic techniques. Looks like we got a pouch here. So hopefully I find some nice nuggets I can put in that pouch. Got a sticker. I know where that's going. It's going to go right on my sluice box or my high banker. Looks like we got some more stickers. I dig, you dig, we dig, united we sluice. That's awesome. That's a great slogan. I love it. And this bumper sticker, yep, I'm a gold digger, sure is. That's great. I got the one sticker, but he's got 3, that's awesome. Custom made, this says. Custom made, enjoy. Oh yes. Prospecting rocks. Can you dig it? I sure can. This is going to be great. I'm going to take this to work, have my coffee in it. This is awesome. What great swag this is. And the last thing in here oh, it looks to be some dirt. Oh man, there's a note in here too. Look at that. Huckleberry jam. My I used to go huckleberry picking with my grandpa out in southern BC in the Kootenays. I know what huckleberry jam tastes like. I love it. Huckleberry hooch is better, but the jam is great. Let's read the note. This is from the Wicked Lester Claim. I added more for your enjoyment. Have fun. Well, shit. I am gonna have fun. This is awesome. You know, this is, I never expected all of this. This is just great. You know, what a pick me up here in the almost the well, it's almost the end of winter, but it's snowing out right now, so I'm stuck in my basement, and this is just great. I got some gold dirt here I can rush. I can I'll do a video of that and let you know what I get here. So yeah, Arnie Bowie, man, check out his YouTube channel. You can't go wrong. Subscribe to him. Hit the notification buttons. I know he's out prospecting right now, so you know the weather where he is. I believe it's in BC somewhere. It's a little kinder than here in Alberta, so it's just let's wish him all the luck. Let's get him. Let's get his subscribers up. Let's get him up. Thanks a lot, Arnie. So all in all, this is pretty amazing. I'm actually pretty humble to this. You know, big thank you out to Arnie. I'm going to do the pay dirt here, and I'm actually looking forward to it. I got a bit of the fever going on here, so let's get to that. Okay, so the first thing we will do is classify. Okay, now that that's done, I don't see any huge nuggets in there, but that's alright, so we'll put that to the side for now and focus on this. Okay, so I've moved the material over into a smaller pan with the bigger pan underneath, so I'll use that technique so I can check to see if I've lost anything. So we can begin the panning process. It works a little better for me. Oh, I see some gold already. Let's pan right in on it. Yeah, there's some shiny. So now I'm going to back it back up and put it to the other side of the pan. I like this pan because it's got that big lip on the bottom, and when you get down to a certain amount, this is how you can get the rest of the crap out without the ridges getting in the way. You gotta be a little more careful. Just gentle. And look for black sands. And of course any little pieces of gold, even flaky gold, can pop out. Alright, let's do a swirl and see what we find here. Bigger rocks out. decent amount in here. I see a garnet. Look at all that. Some decent gold in there for sure. Yeah, Arnie was good to me. Okay, let's we'll clean this up and get a weight on it. Okay, so I'm ready to do the tally up here. I got all the gold in this little container, so let's weigh it up. Put an empty one on, tear it up. There we go, 0.73 of a gram. So almost 3/4 of a gram. Not too shabby. I should mention that today is St. Patrick's Day, so this just goes to prove that there is some gold at the end of this rainbow. Awesome. Well, after doing this unboxing, I'm feeling a little inspired here, so I have a whole bunch of stickers here. They're vinyl stickers, so they hold up to light and stuff. What I want you guys to do, and this goes for all my current subscribers, is that as long as you're subscribed to my channel and you send me a message, send me an email at goprospecting@gmail.com, and I will send me your address and I will mail you a Go Prospecting vinyl sticker here. I have a whole bunch here, and the only thing I ask is that you when you receive it, you send me a picture back on email, just showing me where you put it, whether it's on your toolbox or high banker or sluice box or headboard of your bed. I don't care. So I'll make a little video showing all the different spots, unique or wherever, and yeah, I'll pay the stamp. You send me the address and we'll do that. So that's pretty cool. And I'm gearing up for some more videos. We're thinking about doing a live event soon, where I'm going to do pay dirt right out of the bag all the way to a cleanup, so you guys can watch that process. And yeah, we got some few ideas going this year, so it should be fun. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Stay safe. See you out there.